Hey, so making the OEM heat shield work on the aftermarket headers. These are the cheapest headers I could find on eBay. Really regret going down the cheapest route, but it's turned out to be a bit of fun because if I had spent the real money, I probably would have made a real exhaust and not this four individual pipes setup. But yeah, we made the OEM heat shield work. I just tacked on a bunch of 3/8 nuts wherever these were lined up, and then I tightened down a bolt with a nut on it already. So you tighten this down so it just touches the tube, so it bottoms out, but not anymore because you will crush the tube. It's a thin tube, and you get a lot of torque and pressing on just a small fastener. But yeah, and then you just tighten down the other nut so that it works kind of like a stud, but you can just take everything out easily. So yeah, it's not the prettiest, but I quite like it. And it meant I have a spot for the fucking dipstick. Aftermarket headers, or at least this one, didn't have any options. So yeah, I'd say it's a win-win. Heat shields are pretty awesome when it comes to not cooking your brakes or melting your spark plug wires or your steering shaft or really anything, or starting a fire when you're pouring oil in your engine and it flashes on the hot exhaust, or actually more likely power steering fluid is a good cause of a lot of engine bay fires. So yeah, it'll now hit the heat shield when all these hoses blow up because they're old as fuck, and it's all jerry-rigged together. Yeah, so yeah, tell me what you think. We're carrying on, and we're getting closer every day to this thing running. So yeah, see you guys later.